All right, happy Friday, everybody. What I want to do real briefly is just explain to you how to complete this assignment. It's here. It's the Friday Monday assignment, meaning it's the Friday assignment for those students who are A-day students, and then for those who are B-day students, it's what you're to do Monday. And it's called Comparing Irrational Numbers. All right, so if we open it up, okay. What you're going to notice here is, again, those instructions. Okay, first thing I want you to do is to watch this video called Batting Averages. It's only about 2 minutes and 45 seconds. So just use that link. It'll go to Discovery Education, and it will show you a video. Then next thing would be obviously clicking Assignment Instructions, which is the video that you're watching right now. Now, the way that I have this assignment loaded here, okay, is you do not have to make a copy and share it with me, okay? What it says here is it says students will receive a copy of this document that they can modify for their assignment submissions. So all you need to do is click right here where it says comparing irrational numbers, do your work, and then on the student side, there will probably be a blue submit button over here. Okay, so all you have to do is click here, do the assignment, and then press submit when you're done. There's no need to make a copy. It's already in this assignment for you. So when you click on the comparing irrational numbers, it will open up into another window possibly, or open there right in front of you. Okay, and this is what's going to come up. Okay, so I'm going to go to this demo one that I made so I don't write on the original. But it just explains to you that in baseball, a player's batting average is a ratio of the number of hits to the number at bats. And that's what you just saw in the video. Then it says, using the table provided on the next slide, compute the batting averages and round to the 1,000th position, as you saw me do in the video. Once all your data is complete, answer the questions that follow. So when you are rounding to the 1,000th position, that is the third position after your decimal. So you're going to look to the fourth position to decide if you're going to round. So remember your rounding rules, okay? If it's 5 or above, you round up. If it's less than 5, you leave it where it is, okay? So if you click to the next slide, and like you see here, you see the name Luke Voigt. He has 23 hits, 75 at bats. So when you fill in this column, your ratio that you're going to type right here is going to be 23 to 75, okay? Now to find the batting average, you simply divide 23 by 75. Now, you can use your normal Chromebook calculator for this. Also, all of you should have this TI-84 app, which if you open the TI-84 app, it is a scientific calculator. Okay? This is the kind you will be using in the second half of the year. I'm going to teach you how to use it. But if you would like to practice early with it, you can certainly do so on your Chromebook. So 23 divided by 75 is 0.30666 all the way out to infinity. So if I'm rounding to the 1,000th position, which is the first 6 here, I look next door to the fourth position, okay? All right, it's 5 or above because it's 306, so that means I'm going to round up to 307. So that means the batting average here is going to be 0.307, okay? For the next one, Bryce Harper, 25 hits, 78 at-bats. So his ratio is going to be 25 to 78. So same thing, pull up your calculator and then divide 25 divided by 78. And his batting average is 0.3205128205. So again, I'm rounding to the 1,000th position, which is this 0. So I look next door. Is it 5 or more? It is 5 or more, so that's going to round up to 321. So his batting average is 321, so I just write a decimal, 321. Okay, so you are going to do that for the remainder of these baseball players. Then you would click to this next slide, which is the analysis. So it says who has the highest average. So you're going to look basically at all your averages and answer that question. Who has the most at-bats, highest number of hits, and so on. All right, so this is your lesson for Friday if you're an A student, or Monday if you are a B-Day student. All right, if you have any questions, please email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great weekend, everybody. I look forward to seeing you next week.